Hi guys, welcome to October Happy Hour Kit. Nuts for Halloween! Clearly I am nuts for Halloween. I love Halloween. And Poison Ivy's gonna teach you how to make a delicious cookies and cream or cookies and cream cocktail. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a martini glass. You guys don't need to have a martini glass. You guys can use a wine glass. You guys can use a champagne flute or even a low ball or whatever you have. It's going to look pretty no matter what. It's just going to look like less liquid if it's a bigger glass. But I'm going to use a martini glass and we're going to rim it. It's going to be one of the best rims that you've ever had. Personally, every time that I've tested this martini, even if I didn't like what was inside, I completely devoured the rim. So let's start. You guys have your frosting, and so that's what we're gonna rim it with. You really don't need much frosting. As you can see, we're just gonna just distribute it. And the frosting is not enough. I'm gonna take these delicious Oreo crumbs. Name brand Oreo, guys. I don't cheap out for you guys. Love you. Now I did this. If you guys want to go crazy on the frosting and the rim, go for it. You know, you want to look like you're, making one of those crazy milkshakes that I keep reading about, go for it. But for me, this suffices. So to make this, I'm going to use a martini shaker. You guys do not have to use a martini shaker. As long as it is sealable, it is totally fine. We're going to put this to the side for now. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in ice, about up to there. There's no need to go all the way. It's just a waste of ice. Just there is fine. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in 2 ounces of our mix. Gently mix it up first because it may have separated a little bit. Don't mix it up too hard. Save that for when you shake it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in about 1.25 ounces of vodka. You can put in more vodka if you want. I find if you put in more vodka, the ratio doesn't quite work as well and it becomes too vodka forward, but it's up to you. This is the vodka I have. There is no need to use this vodka in particular. Any vodka will work. Now we're going to use our technique. We're going to take our top and we're going to put it on top and we're going to lock it just by tapping it. You don't need to whack it. And now it's locked, so it won't explode all over us while we're shaking it. And we're going to move it over like this and we're going to shake it back and forth. As you may have noticed, I did shake this one slightly more vigorously than the other ones. It's because it's a thicker syrup and it's got a bit more of a chance of separating. So just to make sure that it all comes together. So now that it's shook, we're going to use our technique to unlock it. As always, we're going to put our hands on the side. We're going to put our thumbs upright and we're just going to push. I'm going to take our trusty strainer gonna just pour. Beautiful. Look at that. Cheers, guys. Absolutely can't wait to drink this one. The inside isn't too sweet. It's actually not that sweet. So the outside actually counteracts it because the frosting is sweet. And it just works beautifully. Adult indulgence, guys. Adult Halloween indulgence. Can't go trick-or-treating. This is a pretty amazing adult alternative. I mean, I'd go for this in a heartbeat. Cheers, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to check out my website about all the new upcoming things. Doing some one-off kits. I'm doing about next month, any other month. I'm gonna start launching things a couple weeks before they're actually available, just so you guys can get to know what's going on. And let me know how you guys like it. Let me know what's going on. I want to know, like, what have you guys been doing with my kids? I want to see your results, man. I love you guys. Happy Halloween. Cheers.